Evolving industries need sustainable, safe, and reliable components on time. Nords Group has been supporting industrial development since 1904. We understand the demand for quality, sustainability, and on-time delivery. CNC machining and turning are our core competencies, all built on a profound knowledge of stainless steel. Our reliability has made us a long-term partner in the industry for threaded fittings, collars, and clamps. Our team of experts makes sure you find the right solutions for standard or custom-made products and ensures a seamless integration of our products into your specific designs. Our production units, located in 3 European countries, guarantee a reliable supply of the highest quality. Tailored production for collars and clamps provides flexibility to meet the market demands. Our deep knowledge of machining stainless steels and high alloyed grades, combined with robotized and CAD/CAM supported manufacturing, enables us to produce custom-made products according to your designs, effectively. Quality control is part of everything we do, guaranteeing consistency and safe use of our products. The marking and certification of our products grant you full traceability back to raw materials. Our well-assorted stock ensures you a quick delivery on time. Nords, because quality matters.